Hi guys, what you're seeing now on your screen is a person doing part of the Masonry Works, which is the CHB laying or concrete hollow blocks laying. But before that, we need to determine the quantity of the reinforcing materials or the steel bars reinforcement. So, how are we gonna do that? So let's say we have this masonry wall. The components here for the steel bars are the horizontal and the vertical bars. And if we will be extracting the steel bars, it will look like this. In the usual practice for masonry works, the steel bars are given with spacing of 60 centimeters for vertical bars, and for horizontal steel bars, it is being placed on every 3 layers on concrete hollow blocks. For example, you're supposed to lay a masonry wall with 5 meters for length and 2 meters for height. To compute the needed quantities for vertical bars, divide the length of 5 meters to 0.6 meters, which is 60 in centimeters. So the quantity here is 8.33. But practically, you should round up whenever there has a decimal point for the quantity to 1. So therefore, it will be 9 pieces of vertical bars, and the length of each of these 9 pieces is 2 meters since the height of the wall is 2 meters. For horizontal bars, we have the 2 meters in height of this wall. In here, we have a different calculation for horizontal bars, which is to have only on every 3 layers of the hollow blocks. Each hollow blocks has a height of 0.2 meters or 20 centimeters. First, let's calculate the number of hollow blocks for a wall of 2 meters high. So 2 meters divided by 0.2 meters or 20 in centimeters, it will have 10 numbers of hollow blocks. Then, the 10 numbers will be divided into 3 numbers of each layer of hollow blocks, which will equals to 3.33 or 4 pieces of horizontal bars. Thank you for giving time to watch this video. Please subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos.